This is an amazing gym.
It's hard, but it's fun.
The thing that's so fun about the classes is they're all different.
And it's addicting and it's good for you, you know.
MoveStrong started out of the need for a style of exercising and training that was outside the box, that allows you to use your body weight for a lot of resistance, focus on building functional fitness and strength, using free moving tools.
I really love that about this place. It gives you a way to use your body weight, a way to use resistance, anything that you need, and lots of modifications too.
Making old style of training kind of new again. Building real life strength that's going to carry over to things we love doing outside the gym.
If you want to go climb a mountain, then come in here and do some of these classes, and it's going to strengthen some muscles you don't typically use, and you'll go out there and climb your mountain.
From the person who's never worked out before, there's so much room for you here to start and learn, to the elite athlete. You're going to be challenged and you're going to be pushed.
Great gym, great personality, great people, and it's a good time.
You're going to look at fitness different. You're going to look at it as having fun, moving the way the body was intended, and building real life strength, and doing it in a manner that's going to carry over to have a better quality of life outside the gym.